Bad news travels fast. But what if I told you the storm shaking the Turkish drama world is bigger than anything fans expected? Yes, my friends, the future of Sultan Orhan Season 1 just changed forever. Because the actress who was supposed to bring life, beauty, and strength to Nilufer Hatun has turned her back on Bozdag's grand empire. And now, the hearts of millions of fans are left broken. When the news first came out that Alina Boz was chosen for Nilufer Hatun, there was a sigh of relief. We all thought, finally, after so many actors had walked away, at least Nilufer's role was in safe hands. A perfect casting. Better than before. It was like a ray of light shining on Sultan Orhan series. But then, that light was suddenly blown out. Because Alina Boz said no to Mehmet Bozdag's offer. Yes, she rejected the role. Imagine the pain of fans who had pinned their hopes on this casting. A small happiness, a small relief, gone in a heartbeat. But wait, the story doesn't end here. It takes a turn. A shocking twist that no one saw coming. Long before Alina Boz, Bozdag had approached a Moroccan actress, Mahasine El Mrabat, for the role of Fatma Hatun. Fans didn't like this decision. It felt wrong. But many said, let it be, we will accept it. We'll compromise. But then, as soon as Alina Boz walked away, Bozdag rushed back to the same Moroccan actress. And this time, not for Fatma, but for Nilufer Hatun. Yes. The wife of Sultan Orhan, the central companion of the hero himself. And now, the announcement is official. Mahasine El Mrabat has joined the blockbuster series Sultan Orhan as Nilufer Hatun. She is now the on-screen partner of the star, Merit Yazicioglu. Let that sink in. The very actress who was meant to play Orhan's sister is now cast as his wife. And Fatma Hatun's role? That has been handed over to another actress, İpek Erkan. Yes. Osman Ghazi's daughter, Fatma Hatun, will now be portrayed by her. But my friends, this decision has torn the fandom apart. Fans are shouting, crying, demanding. Stop playing with our hearts, Bozdag. Stop rewriting history like it's a toy. Because history is not a stage for experiments. It is truth. It is legacy. And every fan of Kuruluş Osman knows the history of Nilufer and Fatma Hatun by heart. We don't want twisted versions. We want respect. So the question is, will Mehmet Bozdag listen? Or will he continue down this path, rewriting what millions already know? Dear viewers, history is not a game. It is a responsibility. It is a promise to the ancestors whose blood and sacrifice made these stories possible. And if this promise is broken, then no casting choice, no glittering actress, no foreign name can save the series. The fans have spoken. We have read the history. We already know the truth. Now just show it. Not distort it. Not play with it. Just show it. What do you think, dear viewers? Is Bozdag making the right decision, or destroying the soul of the series? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear your voice. And if you believe history should be shown with respect, then support us by subscribing. Because here, you will always get the truth.